अरे बच्ची कुरकुर में दी हुई है वो नहीं उधर वाला वो ऊपर का नहीं उधर वाला वो नाम भी नहीं आता भाई ना लो रे उधर वाला निकाल पर हारे में से हारा हारा वो दिखा भैया वो उधर का दिखा वो वाला वो नीला नीला दिखता है नीला वो पिवला पिवला अरे पागल दारू की दुकान में
So what happened was that they tried to steal, and my staff, who was vigilant at the time, managed to stop them from taking. And then he gave me a call and told me that so and so is the incident that happened. So I immediately downloaded the footage on my phone and sent it to him. And I came to the shop and I just tried to take a round in the vicinity to see in case I happen to see them anywhere around. And I didn't find them, but then I saw a PCR van which was passing by, so I flagged them down and I told them so and so is the incident, sent them the video, and they told me to go to the police station and lodge a complaint. So by the time I took my staff and we went to the police station, and we were sitting there and waiting for the formalities, the police brought in 3 women and 2 children, and we identified that they were in fact the same people who had tried to steal some money from here. So I would like to thank the police for being very proactive and doing a good job